The question is, who is Obatala? Obatala was the first man to set foot in this universe. That was according to the previous research. Yes, people says that Obatala, the forefather of Yoruba land, the forefather of all Luabis, the forefather of all human race, to according to Yoruba belief. Well, my own research shows that Obatala really means that Oba Ta'ala, which means the God that the Muslim worships, the creator of all the universe. But there is one contradictory word that surprises me, I'm telling you. What surprises me? In Yoruba land, they said this Obatala has 201 wives. And the last wife, which is Osun, gave birth to one son. Who is this son? They called him Olaosha Aladikun. Yes, the founder of Ifonrolu local government. Olaosha Aladikun. The Alade Sheshefun. The Alade Sheshefun. This man created Oshun. Now, this man created Ifon. He was the only son of Oshun, the Oshun Oshobo that people used to worship. Yes. And this town is called Ifon Oshun Orolu local government. That is where I come from. Different from that, this Obatala man, who is he? Is he really the first person? Who is his friend? People say Orunmila. And some Ifa oracle really says that Orunmila, when Obatala was coming to this universe, Obatala consulted Orunmila. But the truth is, Obatala was the first man. History says that when he was coming to this universe, it comes with palm kernel, a bird, ega, and a piece of sound, yepe. When this man was coming, he's come from heaven through chains. Ó wá láti ọ̀run pẹ̀lú séènì tó gbé wá láti ọ̀run wá. That was how mythical history says. Yeah, we believe that we know that they exist, but they do not have source. That is what myth means in literature. Now, my research shows that Orunmila that we are talking about, he has friends, a lot of friends. One of them is Eshu. And who is Eshu? Is Eshu really bad person? People names Eshu. They titled him into bad person. But my own research shows that Eshu is entirely a good man who will weep in your pain, who will take your pain as his own personal thing. Eshu is the one who fights for you. Eshu doesn't do bad, Eshu do good. In English, in linguistics, from the British that comes to colonize the West Africans, they believe that Eshu was a bad person and it was a god. No, Eshu is not a god, Eshu is a deity who helps you, who cry when you are crying. But you are crying water, but he will be crying blood. He will take your personal thing, like your personal pain, he will take it into art and fight for you. He should never allow cheating. He should never allow anything cheating. That is the reason. And that was the reason Orunmila took him as the personal friend. There was a day that Orunmila pretended as if he died. Then he announces his death around the village. A lot of people comes by and say, Orunmila ti kú náà nìyẹn. When Eshu hears this, there was a barber who was cutting off his head. Now, Eshu has completed, the barber has completed one side. The barber is about to start the second side of the head. Then the death of Orunmila reached Eshu. Eshu now ran, said, he told the barber that, leave Orunmila. He ran to Orunmila straight. When he reached Orunmila's place, he started crying. Then there was a song that peoples around the death of Orunmila the dead body of Orunmila that was laid on ground, there was a song that is sing, Baba Oku, Baba Farapamọ́ ni, ṣebí ẹni kú, kó ẹni tó fẹ́. The song like that, that the father did not die, but he hides himself. He pretended as if he died, so you can know, so Baba can know who exactly loves him. Then he should promise Orunmila. Then Orunmila comes back from where he hides from. They now say he should now promise Orunmila that whenever the day, whatever happened, I will never cut the second side of my hair. That shows my loyalty to you. I never wanted you die. I never want people around me to suffer. That was Eshu's word. Eshu beleke. Eshu beleke. La iroyi arobo. That was Eshu's name. Eboratinje Latokpa. What does Latokpa mean? Who is Eshu Gongon? There is a lot of questions that I want to ask, and there is a lot of things that you have to know about this issue. Eshu la iroyi arobo. Eboratinje Latokpa. He is not a bad person. He's a good person. Eshu never wanted to eat poison, and the only poison for Eshu is Adi, and his food is Ekpo, oil, palm oil. Thank you. Follow me, Kunle Blog, to hear more about the documentary that Yoruba people have. Washire. Kunle Blog lórúkọ mi ní Facebook. You can search for my name on Twitter. My name is Kunle Blog too. My channel is Kunle Blog. Search for my name on Instagram, on Facebook. On Instagram, I am O_Kunle Blog. Eshe Washire. Eshu beleke la iroyi arobo. That was Eshu's name. Eboratinje Latokpa. What does Latokpa mean? Who is Eshu Gongon? There is a lot of questions that I want to ask, and there is a lot of things that you have to know about this issue. Eshu la iroyi arobo. Eboratinje Latokpa. He is not a bad person. He's a good person. Eshu never wanted to eat poison, and the only poison for Eshu is Adi, and his food is Ekpo, oil, palm oil. Thank you. Follow me, Kunle Blog, to hear more about the documentary that Yoruba people have. Washire. Kunle Blog lórúkọ mi ní Facebook. You can search for my name on Twitter. My name is Kunle Blog too. My channel is Kunle Blog. Search for my name on Instagram, on Facebook. On Instagram, I am O_Kunle Blog. Eshe Washire.